Okay, this first design we made as a flyer so that we could print it out and put it around town for the advertising our movie. But sometimes you want to communicate in different formats. And the beauty of Adobe Express is that you can have multiple different sized pages right here. So this is where we manage our pages. So if you click on this little button here, you can see we have different pages. And if you hit the plus symbol, it's easy to make another page. If you click this little document, I'm going to go ahead and delete it because that would make a blank one. If you click on this right here, you can duplicate the page, and you can see the symbol here also is up here. So if I hit duplicate, now I have a second page, and I can double click on this. Now I'm on page 2. The cool thing is I can then hit resize, and I have all these different options. So for example, let's say we want to make a YouTube sized one that we could put up in one of the digital signages that we have around school. Video, YouTube, any of those 1920 by 1080 options would work. I can hit resize, and now I am going to have to rearrange things. Or I could, in this case, it doesn't look bad, yeah, so that's going to resize it. Now, the one thing I will mention is this is not filling the background, and I forgot to tell you earlier, if you click on something and you just want it to automatically fill, instead of stretching it out, you can just hit set background and it just zoinks it right in there. The one thing I would say is there's a little spot right here that says add title, so I'm going to type right here, I'm going to put digital sign. I'm going to go back to my first page, and I'm going to call this flyer. All right, so that's a super easy way. Now, if you click on this again, view our pages, I'm going to go ahead and select this, and I'm going to duplicate that page. And this time we're going to open that one up. And let's resize this one for our social media. So let's do an Instagram square post. And here's what another thing that is super easy and a good idea to know how to do. If you click on something and then hold shift down, you can select other things. So I'm going to select all of my different elements here, get them all together. And now I'm going to stretch them all out. So you can stretch them all at once, move them around all at once, kind of get my Instagram size just the way I want it. So that is an easy way to work with different pages. And let's change the name of this one. This is going to be my Instagram Instra post. Now let's say I have 3 different pages and I want to download them. You can download them one at a time. So if I click download, you get this option of just the selected pages or all pages. I'm going to choose all pages because I've already shown you how to download a single page. The difference is when you download multiple documents, you get a zip file. So